Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Discord server. So all you have to do is simply launch the Discord application on your PC and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, all you have to do is click on the plus icon named as add a server, click on it, and then you should see this pop-up window, create your server. Now you can choose to create your own from scratch, or you can choose the available templates. So there's the gaming template, the friends template, study group, and all the others that are currently available. Now let's say, for instance, if you want to create your own server, all you have to do is simply click on create my own. And then you should choose either you want to create it for a club or community, or for you and your friends, or however, you can skip this question for now and you can set it later. So for me, I just want for me and my friends, so click on that. And then you have to rename your server. So let's say rename your server. And also you can choose an option to upload an image. So you can simply click on the plus icon, find the image you'd like, click on open it, and there you go. The image has been applied. Now once you're done, simply click on create, give it a few seconds. And there you go. The server has been created. So that's basically it on how to create a server. Now, there are a couple of options you can see here. Welcome to the name of the server. And then all you have to do, you can simply invite your friends. So you can simply click on invite your friends and find the friend you'd like, click on invite, and they'll be sent an invite link. And you can also personalize your server. You can also send your first message, and you can also add your first app. Now, let's say, for instance, if you want to create a server using a template, so all you have to do is simply click on the plus icon again, and then now find the template you'd like to use. So let's say, for instance, if you want a gaming server, so all you have to do is click on that. And then let's say, for instance, this time around, let's say for a club or a community, simply click on that, right? Rename your server. So, and then upload an image if you like, but you can do this later on. So all you have to do is simply create. And now you can see the difference between the gaming server and the normal server. So the gaming server has more text channels, has the voice channels and everything. Sorry. And the other server has just the general chat. So that's basically it on how to create a server on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.